Hello parents, welcome to this video. This video I will be explaining how to use the Brainscape app. It is an app to help your students learn and memorize those phonograms that they have to learn. Ideally, this will be an app that they'll be using for the rest of the year to review and practice those phonograms as we continue to learn. So I'm going to show you how to access the app. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share an iPad because I'm assuming that is what your child will be using. So here we are. This is the iPad that I'm using. You will go, I always put the rig practice flashcards right here. Right here is where the flashcards are. You will click this link. I have also sent you a message on Class Dojo giving you your username and your password. So if you don't know what that is, go on Class Dojo and that will be inside your message. But I will click, the kids will click flashcards. The kids will click the flashcards, and what you are going to do from that point on, I know some parents have told me that they just click the cards, but that's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to click this green button over here at the top, and then the screen will look like this. You want to minimize the keyboard. So you'll minimize it like this, and you'll put, I already have an account. If you make an account, you will not have the pro features that the school has to do. So please put, I already have an account. Then this will pop up. You will scroll up and you will put in your email. I'm going to put in mine so that you can see what that would look like. Okay. The password is the same for everybody. It's capital H, lowercase I, lowercase s, 90806. My password is a little bit different, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Okay, now that it's loaded, this is what you will see. What I have told many parents is that you need to click this blue button at the top that says Study Desk. That will have your students study every single phonogram that are in this book. All of these. I would like for them to study all of them every day. So I'm going to click Study Desk. The way that it works now is your student will look at this flashcard and say the sound that they think it is. If they don't know what it is, that's okay. That's why we're practicing. And they will click reveal answer. So for example, let's say I know it and I say A double A always says A. And let's say that's wrong. Let's say I just, right? I'll reveal my answer and it'll tell me. That's the right answer. I said it wrong. So it's important that you tell your children to be honest with the score that they got. I did not know that one, right? So I'm going to put 1 or 2 because I knew the sound, but I didn't know it quite well. And then you will continue. A, 2-letter A, that we do use at the end of English words. So as you see, I did not get that right. I will click purple, which is the 1, means I did not know it at all. And what the program will do is it'll see how many of the student got wrong and then regenerate those flashcards so that they keep on practicing the ones that they need. So for this one, ow, oh. So I will go ahead and check that. Okay, and it's the same thing, and your students will keep on practicing and practicing and practicing until all the flashcards are done. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, this is the page that we first started on. If you see that your child is mastering most of them and they want more practice, but they need more practice with the ones at the bottom, so let's say A, I, O's, what we can do and what I would like for you to do is to unclick the deck, so it unclicks all of them, and then you'll just click the ones that you want your students to do. So let's say SH, so then I will click SH, AI, and AW, so those lists. And I go up to the top and I'll click study. And so it only generates those flashcards that you see. And that is it for our video. That is how you use the application. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you with the application. It is better used on a web browser. So if you go on Class Dojo, that link will lead you to the flashcards. Usually, once you log in the first time, it'll keep you logged in, but sometimes it will log you out. So if your student comes to you and says, I can't log in, just put the same information and password that I gave you in that message. Okay, thank you, parents. God bless.